Hey guys, and today I wanted to do a video review for the DOVOH 3-plane professional laser level. So what I'm actually going to do in this video is more or less an unboxing, and we'll go through everything that this actually came with. So you have a wrapped core unit. It says it's 110 W. You have basically green lines to use for the laser, and then it can be used 3 times by 360-degree angle. This specifically is the model H3-360G. So I've gone ahead and basically taken this out of the box. You have a really nice carrying case here with the DOVOH logo on it. This basically has 2 large pieces that you can use to easily secure this when not in use. And then when you're ready to open it, you simply pull these up, pull these back, and then this will open up. This will open up. Inside we have our user manual. This basically goes through everything. You have a few stickers here that you could use as well that are basically just designed for letting people know about the radiation of the laser. It goes over charging the battery, operation, different modes, turning on or off, basically everything that you need to know. This does come with a 1-year warranty, so that's really good. And then this then goes into other languages. So while the manual might be thick, it's not really all that long, just for the English portion. Pretty much what I'm holding here in my left hand. Now we have a pair of glasses that comes with here. This has a green lens on it, so this is going to help block against any unwanted effects that you get from the laser. You have a measuring tool here that you could actually use. So this basically could clip into a section. This comes off here on the back and basically clips in. You have multiple batteries this comes with, as well as your charger. So essentially this here is what you plug the batteries into. These are wrapped, so you will have to unwrap these. But basically there's 2 little metal pieces on the end. You simply slide this in, and then ultimately they connect here on the ends, and it looks like it utilizes a USB-C based charger, which we have also in the pack here, and there's a space for all these things. So we have the USB cable here, USB to USB-C, then we have a plug. So basically this does give you the plug to plug in via USB and then into your outlet. And you have the actual main piece here that can be used for mounting the level. This has a small grommet here on the base, and you can adjust this as needed. And then this also has 2 adjustment points up here in the top. And this basically is going to allow you to utilize the level as needed. I'll take a second here to put that away. Here's the level itself. So you have many different functions here on the top. This basically has all the branding and the model number. And as you can see, there's multiple points where the laser will come out, both from the top, the back, and then you also have it from the side. So essentially this has the mounting point here on the base, and this is going to allow you to mount it to this device and utilize as needed. Going through the manual, I just wanted to give some idea of how this would function, and I may not necessarily test this in this, but just giving you some idea of the idea of what to expect with this. Looking from the top, this basically has a manual mode indicator. No 5 indicates a pulse mode, and then basically no 6 shows the battery power. No, 1 is basically just on off for the pulse button, and then this H icon allows you to switch between either horizontal line, or if you hit this V, this will switch to a vertical line. You also have a locking mechanism that's here on the side. Obviously it goes over everything else, the manual, lock mode, laser window, all these other things that would be relevant in terms of using this. I just wanted to get to actual operation. So more or less, if you wanted a self-leveling mode, you just slide the pendulum to the unlocked position and turn on the laser. The self-leveling mode is activated by default. The laser tool will beep, and the beams will blink fast when the laser is out of self-level range, and then you can also do manual mode. So yeah, it goes through everything. This basically has a compartment here in the bottom for the battery. So I'm actually going to go ahead and we'll see if we can do a quick test. I assume this should have a little bit of juice. This looks like it's wrapped up pretty good, so see if I can get this open. So now this is good. We basically are just going to open the slot on the bottom here, and then this is only going to go in one way. So insert this into the base. I'm going to go ahead and take the glasses here, make sure I'm wearing these just for protection. These definitely have a very, very bright green. So there it is there, the laser's on them. I'm actually going to see if I can show it's actually showing on my wall. But you guys might not see that here, obviously in the pane, but the laser is coming out from the top, and that's essentially going across the entire room. So you can easily use this as a nice level, very nice system actually. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to raise my camera as much as I can. I don't want to flash this into my eyes, but my camera is actually mounted, so ultimately this is going to give you a flat laser that's coming out on all directions. And I'm able to get this showing up on the wall. But yeah, I don't want to move my camera here just because of the way I have it orientated, but this essentially has given me a really nice level throughout the entire room, and it's working exactly as intended. So anyway, thanks for checking out the video review. I think this is actually a really cool device, and depending on your use case for this is going to be useful for any type of leveling project that you might have. Anyway, thanks for checking out the video, and I hope you found it helpful.